The sun will come.
A little mouse sat on the grass.
It's dark and I'm cold. I want to see the sun.
A soft wind blew.
Look, little mouse, the moon has come out. Its light is soft and pretty.
The moon gives light, but it's not warm. I want to see the sun.
Wait, little one, the sun will come. The sun will come.
Time went by.
It's still dark and I'm still cold. I want to see the sun.
The wind pushed the clouds from the sky.
Look, little mouse, now you can see lots of stars.
Stars are not warm. They are too tiny to give me much light. I want to see the sun.
Wait, little one, the sun will come. The sun will come.
The mouse sat down on a bed of leaves.
Go. I'll rest here and wait for the sun.
The mouse fell asleep.
Mouse, it is morning. Wake up, wake up.
My face is feeling warm.
Open your eyes, little mouse.
I see bright light. The sun has come. The sun has come.
The end.